Welcome to Disney Kitchen, the series in which we take a look at edible Disney products and find out whether or not they are actually edible. A movie like Frozen invites, well, frozen things. So, comes as no surprise that there's a lot of frozen ice cream in the stores right now. Let's take a look at a few of them. First up, Olaf ice cream. Well, let's see what's inside. 6 of these. And lo and behold, it's an Olaf. Well, chocolate head. Not too bad. No. Off to a good start, could be a lot worse. Next up, snowflake cone. 4 of these, so this is sort of like a Cornetto trilogy. Imagine a third Frozen movie. Cornetto trilogy. Well, this is a lovely bluish purple color. Ugh. Horrible. Ooh. Very artificial, very... It even sticks to your upper lip like glue. Well, no. Back to the drawing board. And then finally there's frozen vanilla flavor ice cream. Looks beautiful on the box, so here's hoping it can match the outer appearances. Wow, it even has, I don't know if you guys can see it, but little snowflakes. There goes nothing. The flakes are actually hard sugar. As if you're eating marshmallow candy. From the... what's the American Lucky Charms? No. This has the same artificial bluish flavor as this one, but with the added craptacular attraction of hard sugar in the form of the snowflakes. So yeah, 1 out of 3 ain't bad, as Meatloaf would not say. Frozen ice cream. Sorry.